In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted call history in Instagram. So basically all I have to do is to go to your Messenger account. So find and tap on it. Now once you're in there, you'll be able to see all the messages from the people that you're connected with. So for you to see your call history, just tap on the calls button on the bottom part of your phone. And there you can see all the outgoing calls and incoming calls, all the missed calls. So for us to recover all the deleted calls, now this is what we are going to do. So minimize first your Messenger. Then the next step is to go to your Play Store or your App Store if you're using an iPhone. Play Store for Android and type on all deleted messages recovered. So make sure that you'll download this to your phone, and once it's downloaded, install and open this app. Now all deleted messages and calls will be in here, so just tap on the deleted messages, and then you will have their options for the apps that you have used. So we have WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, and Line. So just tap on Messenger. Once you tap it, you'll be able to see here and restore all deleted calls or even messages from your Messenger. So that's the process. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.